Quiv, what's up, y'all? Don't we all? Do what? I mean, I appreciate all the love and the support I've been getting from everybody, man. More music coming along the way, coming. Road to Success is out now, man. Check it from now on, need no favors, cause now I'm lit. Yeah, you should've know what comes with it. What? You know you get close family and friends starting to think that you Macaulay Culkin rich and don't know the half, or the rent money I done spent to make this here happen. And ain't one time care to ask if I was straight. There's no capping in that. Days and weeks which I haven't slept, stressing, thinking daily on my next step. Because behind closed scenes, they be like, Quiv, you a mess. But then you don't know what I guess. That's what you go through to reach success. And those who've been with me, this a hit song to y'all. You been the ones kept me motivated daily. Just being a black man makes it harder while all the judgment